My name is Agnes. I currently work as a procurement and inventory coordinator, and my role is to buy all the medicines and ancillaries that the patients require. I was working in procurement, and then I enrolled with GetReskilled to do my BioPharmaChem course. I even used the CV and the cover letter that I did as part of my assignment and tailored it to the job that I applied for. And I am really glad to say that I got 3 positions. GetReskilled has really opened doors for my life, as it has landed me a job in the pharma industry in a short space of time.